In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a map into Notion using AI, a process that takes just about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and transform your Notion pages into interactive spaces with this simple walkthrough. First things first, head over to your Notion workspace. It's important to be logged into the right account where you want this map to appear. The beauty of Notion is its versatility, acting as a powerful tool for organizing everything from wikis and documents to complex projects. Once you're on the main page, find the Login section, typically an easy click away from the top right of the Notion homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account and prepare for the next steps. Once you're logged into your Notion account, you'll be on your home dashboard. It's essentially your central hub, showcasing your various pages and projects. Identify and select the page where you'd like to insert your map. It's as easy as browsing through your list of projects or documents. Notion's user interface makes it intuitive to navigate through your contents, so this step should feel like second nature. Now that you're on your chosen page, you're ready to use a handy Notion feature, embedding. Simply type the command, embed, on a new line. This is Notion's way of allowing you to incorporate various types of external content into your pages, from videos and calendars to, in our case, maps. This action will open up a prompt for embedding content, perfectly setting the stage for our next move. Next, you'll need the link to the map that you've generated using ChatGPT or any other AI tool. It's a straightforward process if you have your map ready and the URL copied. Once you've copied the link, simply paste it into the embed prompt that appeared when you typed embed. Notion will recognize the link as a map, integrate it into the page, and in just a moment, you'll see your map magically appear right there. At this point, everything should be set and functional. You can interact with the map directly from your Notion page, allowing for a more engaging and informative experience, both for you and anyone you choose to share the page with. Whether you're creating an interactive travel guide, managing resources spatially, or simply experimenting with embedding multimedia content, this method is both efficient and effective. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've added a map to your Notion page, enhancing its functionality and appeal. This little trick can vastly expand how you use Notion as a comprehensive organizational tool. I hope this guide has helped make this process clear and effortless for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more intuitive guides like this. See you next time.